Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. Let's quickly recap what we had discussed yesterday and how the market played out to our analysis today. First of all, let's start with Nifty futures. Today, as you all know, it was a Nifty weekly expiry and it was a very highly volatile day in the markets with a short moves of 200 to 300 points happening within matter of minutes. And today in this video, I'm also going to discuss about how order flow would have helped you in anticipating these moves. Yesterday I was speaking about there is a good possibility there could be a sideways market unless prices goes and sustains about 24,670 to 680 levels in futures. So if you look at today, the opening itself is inside the value area, and at the same time the high itself is a mechanical reference. Whenever you see these mechanical references, most often within 3 to 5 days prices will get revisited. Not only this guys, yesterday I was speaking about unless the prices goes into this value area which is below somewhere around 24,350 to 360 levels, buyers will try to come again. The reason I was speaking about is there is a strong single print here. So, and along with this single print there is a buying tail. So these buying tails, they act as good support. Nifty, it neither opened about 24,680 or it opened below 24,350 levels. So it opened inside the yesterday's value area and it started going down. As the price is going down guys, you have clues which has given you away that a down move itself may not be very much reliable. So if you look at the first one is the high itself is a strong mechanical reference, and this mechanical reference they get revisited. So second thing is that the opening itself, whenever you see a value area opening, most often, if not 100%, most often 70% of the time, prices try to return to this value area and cover the whole value area. So what happened again, not only this guys, let me show you. In order flow there is a strong divergence. This is the number one thing. So there is a bullish divergence because the buyers are not strong enough at the high opening levels. The prices goes down. As the prices comes down, lower prices automatically attracts the buyers. Prices will again go up. So if you look at in 1045 candle, there is a strong passive buying who stopped the down move and there was a accumulation continuously. Prices is closing above these caught and imbalance levels, indicating there is a strong absorption from the passive buyers. So what happened next? The previous high has been broken and there was a straight away up move in a single 30 minutes. There was a 250 points move and there was a consolidation at some point of time for 2 hours, and then there was again a up move towards 24,900 plus. The high itself is at 24,930 levels, and then there was a pullback. In yesterday's video I was also referring, if at all prices goes about 24,670 to 680 levels, then there is a good possibility of 24,800 which got covered today itself, just because there is a acceptance above this. The reason is again this is the high of the previous value area. As the prices is going up guys, on limit order side there are no buy orders on the left side, so this indicated there could be a possibility of pullback. So for tomorrow what you should be looking at is guys, if you look at, there is a strong unfinished business all the way down to 24,640 levels, and at the same time at highs also 24,930 levels. Even at the closing point 24,770 levels, there is a strong unfinished business. This is going to be our opportunities for tomorrow. To understand how to trade tomorrow, let's go back to market profile chart. So if you look at in October and September, there was a good amount of double bottom and there was a pullback, and then prices broke up the double bottom and prices came down. These kind of areas, they act as a very good support on resistance areas. So because the price is closing below this double bottom, it acts as a good resistance. The reason is guys, around this area there will be strong buyers. So if at all the sellers whoever are there, if they lose the control to these buyers will try to take the prices upside strongly. So what happens, the sellers around this area, they will try to not let the markets go into these buyer hands. So that is what happening guys. So for tomorrow, watch for these guys. So today if you look at the rejection itself is around 24,930 levels. For now you should be looking for today's high itself is a weak high, so there is a good possibility of these prices getting revisited, but at the same time I would be very cautious around these levels because there is a strong selling has happened around this area. any close above 24,900 to 930 levels, there is a good possibility Nifty might go for 25,100 levels, but I will be very cautious till prices close above these 25,000 for a day or two. Then Nifty will likely see 25,280 levels to 25,600 levels. So this is with the upside move, and if at all, if I want to short, look for prices acceptance below 24,770 levels, which is the closing area. So any close below this on 30 minutes, you will likely see the POC at 24,670 first target, 24,630 levels second target, and third target at 24,520 levels. So below this, I think it might even go for 24,400 levels, because this low itself is not a proper low. Again, for further any kind of down move, watch for, as I said yesterday, 24,350 to 360 levels. Any acceptance below, it will likely cover the whole value area with the POC as first target. This is with Nifty, guys. Now let's go back to Bank Nifty. So coming to Bank Nifty, guys, it was much straightforward. So yesterday I was discussing about there is a good possibility Bank Nifty might go for value area high at 53,673, which is a value area high of 30th September. And for any kind of further up move, Bank Nifty needs to go above 53,860 to 870 levels. This is what I was speaking. And I was also speaking about for any kind of down move, prices needs to get accepted inside the yesterday's value area, which is around 53,370 levels. So what happened today? The price itself has opened outside the value area, and it got accepted by breaking the previous candle by more than 2 TPOs, and it covered first target the POC and second target value area low. So now let's understand how understanding the market profile opening and market profile could have anticipated the up move. If you go back to my previous video, multiple times I have stressed on this. The opening, whenever the price opens outside the value area, there should be a proper retest. So if you look at the prices have opened at 53,459 and 53,472 is the high point. So think about it, guys. Whenever the directional buyers opens the market above this, so they have to retest the prices in that direction for at least 100 to 200 points. Whenever that doesn't happen, and it has formed a strong ledge at this point, so that indicated there is a good possibility prices will turn around at some point of time. With this kind of ledge and open outside value area, it get revisited on the same day or the next day itself. So around 10:45 candle, just like Nifty, Bank Nifty also closed above the volume clusters and caught continuously, indicating that some absorption is going on. So if you look at around the exact levels, there was a passive buyer around a pullback low at 53,080 levels. So he stopped the down move and prices started covering. So the high has been cleared, and if you look at, as I said yesterday, it covered the total 53,670 levels, which is the 30th September value area high, and it went all the way up to 53,860 levels. So for tomorrow trades, today the prices itself has probed into 43,900 levels, which is a value area from 25th September. So what you should be looking here is look for how the price reacts around 53,900 levels. So if at all a price close above this, there is a good possibility, as I said, prices will go for 54,000 and second target will be 54,110 to 150 levels is good possibility, and third target will be 54,320 levels. So for any kind of down move, guys, look for acceptance inside today's value area, which is around 53,770 levels futures, and first target will be 53,600, second target will be value area low at 53,290 levels. So for any kind of further down move, prices needs to go below 53,000. Remember this, guys. If prices goes below this, we will easily see 52,740 levels in a day or two. If you are keen on learning order flow and market profile in depth, just go through the playlist which I am attaching at the end of this video. So this is with Bank Nifty, guys. Thank you. Have a nice day, guys.